You still worry about store not being attractive enough? What's up, homie? This is Belinda. Today, let me tell you the skills of improved level of your store. To leave a deep impression on customers, make sure to subscribe our channel and follow us. Now, let's begin. As you can see, there are many different sites every day. They are different but have the same point, eye-catching and special. So the first thing you should let your customers know is the glowing effect. Such as this one on my hand. 3 years warranty, CE, UL certifications. We also use the waterproof transformer with 5 years warranty and 304 stainless steel. We believe only when using high quality material, the sign can bring more value to you. The second point I want to talk about is the style of the sign. Many customers often ask what styles we can make. We are a sign manufacturer with 15 years experience, so we have accumulated a large number of cases, whether for indoor or outdoor use, personal or commercial use. We can provide reference pictures or various styles. These are our neon sign, these are our LED signs, these are our light boxes. We have a professional design team. They can meet the basic needs of most customers. Exporting to over 100 countries, ULCE and ISO certificated, provide their own packaging and the logistics department. We just want to make every sign perfect, make everyone satisfied. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the follow button right now. Thanks for your watching. This is lcsign, looking forward to being your best business partner in China.